North of Puerto Rico, it is a Category 1 hurricane this morning, kind of in the process of reorganizing itself, which means once it finishes that process, it's likely to strengthen further over the next 48 hours. This is the up-close view. We'll zoom out a little bit wider, show you the other islands of the Caribbean and the current statistics for Dorian. 85-mile-an-hour sustained winds, gusts over 100 miles an hour already, even with that Category 1 status. Let's switch over to the forecast path, and it is going to track to the northwest and eventually turn west, strengthen to a Category 3 hurricane. That's major hurricane status, and that's going to be by tomorrow night. It continues tracking to the west, aiming for the space coast of Florida, near Cape Canaveral and the Kennedy Space Center. Forecast to make landfall as a major hurricane, likely by early on Labor Day morning. Everyone focuses on the center of the path, but look at how wide the cone of uncertainty, the yellow area still is at that point, extends from Miami all the way almost to Savannah, Georgia. So a lot of uncertainty regarding the specific path. Eventually, it's going to turn more to the north. If it's after landfall, we get the remnants of Hurricane Dorian. If it's before landfall, we still really have to watch for any impacts along the Carolina coast. A lot of warm ocean water. This area of high pressure farther off to the northeast is going to help to steer it more on that westward path. But if this weakens or maybe drifts a little farther to the northeast, that would help it make that northward turn. We'll take a look at the forecast models in our next half hour. I'll have a check of our local weather coming up in just about 5 minutes.